Everyone I wanna. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that sounds great. Oh, hey.
My guy.
Hey, where do you want this at?
See us at Daytona 2021 coming for you, lifted strong.
Oh my god.
That better be in there. Don't do it yourself, okay? Hey, can someone put this in the truck? Cause I can't reach it. I'm like 4 foot nothing. Like, you can put that.
Around. Like right there.
Oh, you reach here for the seatbelt, right? You give it a good lock. You reach down, right? You grab the bucket, and you just all the way up. Yeah, like a nice slingshot, you know?
Falls off the trailer.
Okay. And then you let down your long hair. Ready to go. Bye-bye. Close! We're good to go.
Guys, this has literally been crazy. Here's literally everything you guys just watched happen in the last couple months between Mike's truck getting fixed, dually getting lifted, this truck getting finished, green truck getting touched up, blue truck over there getting painted, color matched, all that, and the mega cab getting those gold wheels in the last video. This is absolutely nuts. But here we go. Here's nothing. 14-hour drive. Wish us luck. Said Mike's full, so we're straight on Mike.
What's up, baby?
What's up, baby?
What we got here?
Oh, we got
What we got here?
all the fruit.
Got all the fruit?
Yeah, all the fruit.
All the fruit, baby. Hell yeah.
Oh my god. What up with the pool noodle?
You like that?
I'm just confused.
Look at the front. We got a little whippy for the
Oh.
little truck. I definitely gotta clean my window where I just put that stick. Wow. That thing was just fucking...
Yeah, no.
Man, it's
The
just
big noodle. What you know about a big noodle? These ride. So last time this truck died going through to Vegas, I think it was like 3 days the rock lights were on, so I think we might be okay.
Oh, I mean, we should be good. And diesel's got 2 batteries for a reason. Oh, I got the birthday cake here. Of course, we gotta get the bang for the ride. You already know
Yeah,
that.
a lot of bang for the ride.
Oh, yeah. We can also bang on the ride. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, get it. Keep going.
But you guys should really try out the adrenaline. They're actually really, really good. I mean, freaking good. Sorry. Keep it PG, you know.
Do I really want?
Oh yeah, we should be good.
Just keep talking. Literally every color.
No! In the morning.
Whoa, stop.
This is the real life representation of what I look like in the morning, right here.
I like what that happened.
You're gonna land right.
Fuck yeah.
Come on, step bro.
Dude, I can't jump. I can't even. I can't right now. Get stuck on the roof. Wait, does this go?
Somebody bring in my pajamas. This is where I'm sleeping.
No, this doesn't go any taller.
Come on.
You should have. Get a hold of
Dude,
Race-
it's lightning
race-
over there.
race the
That's
bags.
fine. We'll see a lightning
Hold
bolt
on.
kick us off.
Come back.
Ryan.
Okay, turn. There you go.
Oh my god.
Come on, man.
Minty, bro. Minty.
Ready? It's actually not that bad though. You only. It's still not
garage.
Wait, let me see it. Let me see it. Drives a dually, but has to be hauled by a single rear wheel truck.
2,500.
2,500. How's that make you feel?
It works good. I like it.
Talks back.
But I like it.
Comes out this side quiet. Does it work now or what?
So, about this Ronald McDonald House fundraiser, are we attending it or not? The Ronald McDonald fundraiser!
Let's go.
Okay, load up.
I'm working. All you gotta do is in the
It's
back.
salary job.
Thank you.
You found it from this place. It's on the strip.
Where is it?
How you work this hitch, man? I've never had a Gen Y. Push it in. Russell.
That's, yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little more.
We just pulled a 6-liter out of this trap too.
Huh?
We just pulled a 6-liter out of this trap too.
Hold it.
Hey, it worked, didn't it?
I mean, yeah.
See, fat man to the rescue. Always.
One step at a time.
Don't ever underestimate the kid with titties.
Hey, you guys need a real truck?
Here you go again, you say you want
he'll be in the middle like a hot dog bun.
Like I just said.
name is Ryan Mayer. Welcome back or to the channel.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
You're on candy cam. Oh, you're so hot in that golf cart. So nice from over there. Oh, chupa happy with Nanyo? Can I get a hiya? Oh, yeah. Dude, it's too hot out here for all that jazz. Let me tell you what.
Let me tell you what.
I'm twisted like a little Twizzler right now.
Time.
Oh, God.
Oh, baby.
Yeah?
Yeah. This has been something. Get out of you. Guess we can sit underneath it.
I'm about to send Taylor with the Mega Cam to Orlando. That is not the same story. Actually, I would think.
You want to reach in and hold that from that side, maybe?
Oh boy. Where'd the washer go?
Sick.
Sick, bro.
Breaking off.
That's
Where's the
incredible.
nut?
Right now, lick it good.
Just a little bit.
I made it to Columbus for
I know.
the funeral.
Hot tub, be chilling.
On today's channel, we're swapping 16 different wheels and tires before we head back to Ohio. Because, you know, we come down here with like 5 trucks and we're leaving like 3, but we don't know how to get there yet. So we're still trying to figure it out. Tune in for more. Dick through here.
10 seconds, come on.
We paid like $70 on those shorts. Right.
Minute and 10 seconds.
It's okay.
Minute and 32.
Oh my god.
Spacers, bro?
Adapters.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, now you need to take it off. You know, some of us goes, well, welcome back, day 2. Riptides, we all started dying.
8 by 180.
Bro, the rotor clips, dude.
Is it automatic? No.
Really just drove around the grass behind it.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.